In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be using a yoga block to show you how you can stretch out your toes and the bottom of the foot dynamically. So dynamically means through movement, and what we're going to do is we need to come into a position where the toes are pointing up. So I've got my toes pointing up here on the block. I can start to feel my toes stretch because they're in that pointed up position. You don't have to use a block. You can use something, for example, like a rolled up towel. So you don't have to go and buy one of these. You can find something to mimic it. Once I'm in a happy position, I'm then going to step forwards and back, keeping my toes in exactly the position they are in that stretch. As I step forwards and back, my center of gravity changes over my right leg and right foot. So I'm going to start to feel different sensations with that stretch. You might decide to do this on something that's got a lot of weight to it, so it's not going to move, but I would recommend, if you haven't got a yoga block, doing this exact same stretch on a towel. So let's go through those basics again. You're going to have your toes elevated, your foot will be on the floor, and with your toes elevated and completely in that stretch, you should feel the stretch straight away when you bring your toes into that position. You're then going to walk forwards and back, and you can do this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That is how to dynamically stretch your toes and the midfoot.